Welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. Today's recipe is buffalo ranch drumsticks. Yes, a spicy one. And it is meant to be cooked in the crock pot, which is perfect. We all love those. Perfect for us moms. And yes, I thought this would be a fun one to try. I love buffalo styled anything. To get started, you are going to need 4 pounds of chicken. 4 pounds makes 6 servings. Next up, we're going to need some kind of buffalo wing sauce. You can use a red hot sauce or whatever, but preferably for the recipe, you really do need a buffalo sauce. Minced garlic or garlic cloves, fresh ones. You need a 1 ounce pack of the Ranch Classic salad dressing and recipe mix. 1/4 cup of butter. And you're going to need some pepper. And that is all. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to get an empty bowl, alright? And you're going to de-skin the chicken, because if you leave the skin on, it becomes kind of greasy, it doesn't crisp up. We're doing this in a crock pot. So, we're taking the skin from the chicken off. So, to do that, you literally just grab the skin, pull it down from the drumstick, just like so. Get yourself a paper towel and rip the skin on off. Same thing, repeat it for all of your drumsticks. Now, if some of these get tricky and you can't pull them off, you can always cut them off. The skin, that is. Okay. But some of them are going to be tough to pull off. Okay, now I'm going to repeat this step for the rest of my drumsticks. After I de-skinned all the chicken, I gave them a bath. Yes, I washed the chicken off. Now we're going to move on to our crock pot area. Dump the chicken in. Once you have the chicken in, just start dumping your ingredients. So, ranch packet, a couple of cloves of garlic. So I'm just going to do like 2 small spoonfuls because I don't have the fresh garlic. We're going to do our pepper. I am just going to, I'm not even measuring this out, I'm just dumping pepper in there. Oh, also, if you want it to be a bit spicier than this, add some cayenne pepper. That is optional. And you want your butter melted, so pour in your melted butter. And last, but certainly not least, here's your kicker. So you're going to add 1 cup of your buffalo sauce. And then next, you're just going to mix all of that together. Give it a good stir in your pot. Make sure everything is mixed. After we have our ingredients mixed together really well, our chicken is ready to go. Literally, there is hardly any prep time for this. Very quick main course put together, and it's going to cook in 4 hours. Put our lid on there. You're going to put your crock pot on high, and like I said, you're going to let this cook for 4 hours. Do not lift the lid during this cook time. And I will show you what the finished product looks like always. And I'm also going to serve mine with some macaroni and cheese and some fried potatoes. I don't know, I think that sounds good. Makes good sides. And yes, so now we're going to forget about this for 4 hours. Here we are 4.5 hours later. And this is what it looks like. And just put this on your serving tray, your serving dish. Drizzle some of the sauce over top of it, and it's literally ready to serve. It smells delicious, it smells hot, and I'm excited to try this. So we'll let you guys know in the description box below how yummy this dish was. Thank you guys always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, ring the bell, and you don't miss any other In the Kitchen videos. And in the description box also is several In the Kitchen links to other recipe videos. Definitely check that out as well, and thank you always for watching.